In the grand tapestry of human innovation, technology's impact on agriculture stands out as a vivid, transformative thread. Picture a world where every seed planted, every drop of water used, and every grain harvested is guided by precision technology. This is not a glimpse into a distant future, but a snapshot of today's revolutionary farming landscape. Welcome to the era of precision agriculture. Once upon a time, farming was a game of guesswork and gut feeling. Farmers would plant their seeds, pray for rain, and hope for a bountiful harvest. Today, the story of agriculture is being rewritten by technology. In the world of precision agriculture, every decision is data-driven, every process is optimized, and every resource is used with pinpoint accuracy. In the heart of this revolution is the rise of smart farming. Picture a farmer not with a hoe in hand, but with a tablet using real-time data to make informed decisions. From soil sensors that monitor moisture levels to drones that map fields from above, technology has become the farmer's most trusted tool. Then there's the advent of autonomous machinery. Imagine tractors that can navigate fields without a driver, or robotic harvesters that can pick fruits with the delicacy of a human hand. These aren't sci-fi fantasies, but realities made possible by advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence. But the story of precision agriculture doesn't end here. It extends into the realm of genetics. With the help of technology, scientists are now able to modify crops at a genetic level, making them more resistant to pests, diseases, and even climate change. This is the dawn of a new age in farming, where technology and nature work hand in hand to feed the world. However, precision agriculture is not just about the technology, but also about sustainability. With the world's population set to reach nearly 10 billion by the middle of the century, the pressure on our planet's resources is immense. Precision agriculture offers a sustainable solution, allowing us to grow more food with less water, less land, and less impact on the environment. In conclusion, the revolution of precision agriculture is a story of technological progress. It's a tale of how technology has transformed farming from a game of guesswork into a science of precision. It's a narrative of how smart farming, autonomous machinery, and genetic modification are redefining the agricultural landscape. And most importantly, it's a saga of how precision agriculture is leading us towards a more sustainable future. In the grand scheme of things, this revolution is just beginning. As technology continues to evolve, so too will the world of precision agriculture. And in this ever-changing landscape, one thing is certain: the future of farming is here, and it's more precise, more efficient, and more sustainable than ever before.